Simon, where you going?
Hopefully to get the keys.
What you get here?
One small key to get
For
into
what?
our little house.
What are you gonna do with this key?
Look at the size of that thing. Just to show the size, that's the car key.
Yeah. Last time we see from top, yeah. Neighbors.
Our little village. Or hamlet.
Even can't remember last time see so many houses there. Oh, they all have names now, yeah? Oh, they live there then.
Yeah.
Wait. Or is that bottles? I'm gonna get some key. Is maybe on this one, Simon? Down? No? No key? They left beer for you?
Guess what he's left.
I'll tell you, so he didn't pick up chairs, but they always have.
Useful stuff now.
Yeah.
Baby, I found my ladders.
Wow. I don't think they save. No. I don't think they save. Oh, look, sofa or chairs.
Chairs, they're the ones, yeah.
But they're quite good, no? They all be covered.
Yeah, that'd be alright.
Some kitchen unit, look, red one. Just don't fall somewhere.
Oh, look at the glass there.
Who?
Clothes rack.
Oh, okay. I'm wondering how long it takes till somebody comes and asks what we're doing here. Oh, look, some tapestry. Oh, no. Do you want to look what is under there? Well, just be careful. If some ghost gonna jump on you. Or just bang. Dust. Okie dokie. Some chairs is there as well. Okay.
Two lots.
Just watch your head. Oh. Ah, okay, he left this one. Oh, it's cold there.
Wow, stinks.
Look, all this pools. No?
Yeah.
What pools is that?
Cat or something's coming through there.
Yeah, there's a lot of cat poo.
Yeah.
No, but it seems too big for a cat, Simon.
No, it's a cat, baby.
Okay. Oh, it's very warm. Okay, he left some plug here or something. What is that? Okay, let's see. Oh, this is electrician, yeah?
Yeah, good luck with that.
Okay, I'm gonna go look upstairs. Okay, here I think he left everything like before. Door. Everything.
No, he's got something else in here.
You took away something?
Yeah, I remember there's pipes on the floor, but yeah, the boiler's still here.
You didn't like the steps, huh? It's quite a nice place, you know.
It's alright, isn't it?
Maybe this
Should hope so, we just bought it.
this room. What is that? Yeah, Simon. A lot of to do. Nice when I put this.
The window in.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought there was windows up there, but obviously I got wrong.
Was that from birds or what? With some water?
A chimney berry.
Ah, okay. I'm gonna walk this side. So, this pathway I'm sharing with neighbors next to us. It's probably not a good idea to walk here. A lot of grass. Wow, nice and sunny. So here, I believe Simon said, is going to be swimming pool. Okay. Swimming pool. Simon! What's going on?
Hello.
Hello. It's here gonna be a swimming pool, yeah?
God help us.
Okay, leave it. So, did he left anything?
Yes, baby. There's a lawnmower down here as well. I don't know if it works, but
God, there's a lot of. What is that? Yellow one.
pipes.
Okay. Okay.
Let's get you in.
What you gonna do there?
Bury the missus.
Simon, what am I done?
What have we done?
What am I done? Still cow's poo there.
Absolutely, you can smell it, can't you?
No, I can't. My nose is blocked.
Bed.
No. Ah, some old
Bed.
one.
Single though.
Okay, for visitors. For kids.
Yeah,
Or
single. Okay.
what is this? Something.
They
It's
look
like.
like the old shutters from the old roll doors, baby.
Okay. Can we cancel a deal?
Think more than a paintbrush, my baby.
Can we cancel a deal? What? Oh, is it? Simon,
Yeah.
champagne glasses. Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, I just find it. Just for us, like you wish.
Oh, yeah, come here. Okay, oh, well, that's something, I suppose.
So this is that
There's a cellar in there.
where is cellar. You can feel that the chill comes from that
Yeah.
cellar. Oh, and this is that steps goes up to barn, yeah. This is cellar. Totally. I see some carpets, Simon.
Yeah, I think they're long gone.
Long gone. Would you like to go first in that cellar? I kind of don't wish to go first in that cellar. Okay.
Watch it, there's poo in here as well.
Okay. Quite chill and
Yeah, it's cold. Look.
yeah, good. Good for summertime.
Yeah.
Oh, you can even shut doors. Look. Axe.
Just in case you give me any trouble, missus.
Everybody hear that, yeah? If I went missing, you know, I somewhere buried in this big
Don't worry, I found my false arm.
Look, this is for horse thing,
Oh,
for
tractor.
carriage, or tractor, yeah. Old,
Baby,
no.
don't panic. If there's a problem on my shirt, you can iron.
And some phone line as well, yeah. Okay, I start getting cold there. Is that safe to walk here?
Oh my god, I've got loads of bits for a bloody car.
Fuck. Okay. God. Why? Oh, cat is here already. Yeah.
Baby,
Yeah.
hang on, it's just falling apart.
What?
Start again, baby. It's fell apart.
Yeah?
Baby,
Yeah.
you forgot your ride.
Oh yeah, leave outside. They're gonna use tonight. Don't put away.
After 300 yards, turn right.
Then right.